Well, the war on drugs in Manipur has yielded fruitful results. Churachandpur district has set an example as poppy cultivators have vowed to bring in transformation. The poppy cultivators have now decided to regenerate large areas of forest which were earlier used for poppy cultivation. The N. Biren Singh government's war on drugs seems to have made such an impact that poppy cultivators have now opted for fruit cultivation. The poppy cultivators on the occasion of Van Mahotsav Day planted the fruit-bearing trees in presence of DC Churachandpur Pavad Yadav, SP Churachandpur Shrivand Surve, besides officials of the Forest Department.
With a call from the Honorable Chief Minister, the district administration, accompanied by the police, district police, the armed forces, the civil society, the various sections of society, the chief association, together is planning to plant at least 1 lakh saplings in Churachandpur during this Van Mahotsav. The administration, the forest division, everyone has come forward to plant fruit-bearing trees in the areas where the poppy was cultivated. In that series, with the vision of our Honorable Chief Minister for drug-free Manipur and the war against drug and war against illegal poppy cultivation.
And while the tree plantation drive was carried out today at Patland village as part of Chief Minister's dream for a drug-free society and allow people an alternative means of livelihood by planting fruit-bearing trees.
Sir has already mentioned, this effort has been the brainchild of our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri N. Biren Singh Sir. This is basically, there are 3 objectives. One is to discourage poppy cultivation and its consequent side effects that is there on the public. Second is to encourage and provide alternate source of livelihood. As you can see, we are here planting fruit-bearing trees like jamun, gooseberries, etc. You can also see that there is a special variety of rice that is grown here, which can be grown even on the hill slopes. Unlike the paddy which requires stagnant water, this paddy grows on the hill slopes also. Third is that we realized that the hill land was being degraded due to rapid and massive deforestation. So planting of trees will stop this deforestation and degradation of the hill land, and it is an encouraging sign for the protection and the prevention of wildlife, as well as it is good for the environment to reduce pollution also. So therefore we are carrying out this drive. Not just these 7 days we will be carrying out this activity, but we will make it a year-long effort.
Large number of people who have decided to give up poppy cultivation have come up today and carry out mass tree plantation, responding to the calls of the Chief Minister that this environment need not be necessarily destroyed by carrying out poppy cultivation. Behind me, the mountains are there, and these mountains are the areas, the location where this poppy cultivation has been carried out in the past 10 years. And now today, under the initiative of the DC, responding to the calls of the Chief Minister, are carrying out mass plantation of trees. And today, as many as 500 saplings have been planted. Reporting from Patland Hill Range, MK Henry for Northeast Life.